Following them, marching smartly on Rajpath, the next contingent is of the gallant Thambis of Madras Regiment's Territorial Army, comprising 3 TA battalions, 110 Madras TA, 122 Madras TA, and 172 Madras TA, led by Major Manish Verma of 172 Madras TA. The war cry is Veer Madrasi, Adikollu, Adikollu, Adikollu.